morning, Scots. I'm Lee Sprayberry.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Ian.
Let's get into some announcements for this Friday.
But first, calling all poets. April is National Poetry Month, and the Highland High School Library will be celebrating with open mic poetry on the last 2 Fridays of the month. Poets, start writing now and stay tuned for more info about this event.
Prom 2023, A Night in Wonderland, is happening May 13th. Tickets are scheduled to go on sale April 14th. The prices will be $55 for juniors and seniors, only with an ASB sticker, and $60 without one.
Calling all juniors and seniors.
Are you looking for a fun way to win 2 free prom bids?
Then you should apply to be the Big Scot on campus.
What is the Big Scot on campus, Ian?
Well, the Big Scot on campus is a pageant to show your school spirit, your talent, and your interview skills.
To apply, scan the QR code, hurry and apply. There will be a limited number of participants. For any reason, see Miss Nielsen in room 14I.
Now, it's time for a quick commercial break.
Glad. Pride. Give your best to be the best. Be on time. Clean up after yourself. Leadership. Inspire others to do well. Help others. Respect yourself and others. Attitude. Have a positive mindset that guides how you think and feel. Be kind. Display self-control. Integrity. Do the right thing even when no one is looking. Use manners. Use appropriate manners. Determination. Persevere towards difficult goals in spite of the obstacles. Try something new. Always do your best.
Hey Ian, do you know what school support is at Highland?
I've heard about that before, but I still need more information about it.
Well, we have a special report about school support. Take it away, Kim.
Hey Scots, I'm outside room 3G, which is academic interventions. It ain't no normal classroom, but what is it, you may ask? Well, let's go find out. What is your name and job title at Highland?
My name is Miss Alberto and my job title is interventionist.
Who are the people who help in school support at Highland?
So here at Highland we have our interventionist, which is myself, our substance abuse specialist, Ms. Pedroza, our school social worker, Ms. Navi. We work with Mr. Marino, OCI, Mr. Posadas, community specialist, Mr. Allen, truancy. We work with Ms. Espinoza, our mental health clinician. We also work with our 2 school psychologists, Ms. Goring and Ms. Kratt. So we have a really big team here to support our students.
What is school support and what should students know about it?
So school support is extra support that we provide for students. We understand that life happens and you all have a lot going on in your personal lives at home, and sometimes we need a little extra support to stay focused in your academics, and so we hope to provide that through school support.
Thank you for that information, Kim.
Scots, now it's time to introduce you guys to someone special here at Highland that works behind the scenes.
That would be the one,
The only
Shirley Tavorn.
Hello everyone, today we're introducing you guys to someone that works behind scenes here at Highland.
Shirley Tavorn, Computer Instruction Technician. Everything. I do the Chromebooks, so I've touched every single Chromebook on campus, so I've helped every student that way. And I make 90% of the copies. So if you've done any paperwork from any teacher, I've done that. And I answer the phone at lunch. That's not fun. 5 o'clock. The best part of my job is doing design work, and that's not even part of my job, but I do it.
Thanks, Karen.
It's time for a commercial break about the cafeteria and the restrooms.
Hey Scots, here's a quick reminder about the cafeteria. So your period breakfast is served from 3:35 to 7:50, breakfast is served from 8:25 to 8:55, lunch every day, dinner is served from 3:53 to 5 p.m., and snack is served from 5:30 to 6 p.m. All food is free, so bring your friends and enjoy.
Hey Scots, quick reminder. You may not use the restroom in the first to 10 and last 10 minutes of class. Plus, you must have a hall pass when going, or else you'll be caught by our fine security guard here. Now back to the show.
It's time for sports.
My name is Sadie Salas and I play shortstop.
You already know who it is. My name is Lucia Jano and I pitch. And I play first.
My name is Emily Hernandez and I play center field.
My name is Natalie Macias and I play third base.
The best part, well, I wouldn't say it's being directly on the varsity team. I would say the best part is, you know, the girls on the team and having that energy and connection. And I also love just like coming to practice with just knowing I'm gonna laugh like automatically.
I think it's just the girls and being able to bond with them and being with them with the sport that I love to play. The season is going pretty well. Like, I really think we're gonna have a few more banners to add on the field, you know? So I'm really excited to see where this takes us.
I think the season's going amazing so far. We're doing really good right now.
I think you should watch our games because we're Valley and State champs, and you should just come out and support us, because why not?
Come on, do I really have to answer that?
Why not? Just watch them.
It's spring break next week, so we will be back in school on Tuesday, April 11th, 2023.
That will be all for today.
Remember to plat up
and have a great day.